I recently visited Rome, and of course, the Colosseum was at the top of my list. This iconic landmark is one of those places you just have to see in person. I bought a skip the line ticket, which saved me a lot of time. And here's a tip: go very early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid the heaviest crowds. Our entrance ticket came with a self-guided tour through an online app. To be honest, it wasn't as detailed as I hoped, and we ran into a few technical glitches that made it a little confusing. If I had to do this over again, I'd definitely book a small group tour instead. You get richer insights, you can ask questions in real time, and you skip the tech headaches. I've placed a recommended tour link in the description below. Once inside, the Colosseum is breathtaking. Construction began in 72 AD under Emperor Vespasian and was finished in 80 AD by his son Titus. It was built right on top of Emperor Nero's old private lake, transformed from a palace of one man into a gift for the people of Rome. At the time, it was the largest amphitheater in the world, and even today, its scale is jaw-dropping. Up to 50,000 spectators once packed these seats. Gladiators fought here. Exotic animals were hunted. And even mock naval battles were staged on a flooded arena floor. The Colosseum wasn't just entertainment, it was propaganda. It showed the power and wealth of the emperor, and it kept the Roman people both amazed and loyal. Looking down, you'll see the Hypogeum, an underground maze of tunnels, elevators, and cages. This is where animals and gladiators waited before being lifted dramatically into the spotlight. The engineering here was centuries ahead of its time. The seating told a story too. Senators and nobles sat near the action, while ordinary citizens, women, and slaves climbed to the upper tiers. And with more than 80 entrances, the Colosseum could fill or empty in just minutes. A design as practical as it was grand. Earthquakes and stone thieves damaged it over the centuries, but what remains still inspires awe. Later, the Colosseum became tied to Christian remembrance. A cross was placed in the arena to honor martyrs believed to have died here. Today, it stands as a monument not only to Rome's past, but also to resilience and reflection. My visit here was unforgettable, even with the crowds, and a few hiccups with the app tour. Walking through these ancient walls was incredible. If you're coming to Rome, don't miss the Colosseum. And if you want to get the most out of it, I recommend joining a small group tour like the one I've linked below. Trust me, it will bring this amazing piece of history to life. Our total visit took about an hour and a half to finish, just the right amount of time to take everything in without feeling rushed. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. My next videos will feature other amazing places around the Mediterranean, from ancient cities to hidden coastal gems. So stay tuned for more travel inspiration.